When you're cooking, it doesn't matter if you put more or less. You make it the way you want. So just give it a rinse. What water does is it stops the meatball from sticking to your hand. So you ice squeeze it, take that piece out, that feels like the right size. When your hand is wet, you push it together and you have a meatball. There's a rule in cooking. Hot pan, regular temperature water, food will never stick to the pan. If you don't heat that up first and you just put the oil in and heat it, the food will stick to the pan, because what happens is all the pores in the metal open up from the heat. Then when you pour the oil in, it fills in all of those. So everything slides, and you'll see that, how that happens.